Welcome back guys to another video. Kev here. Today we're removing the rear wiper from my Audi A4. We're going to be removing the wiper and plugging it up with the Dewiper kit from kilowiper.com. So first thing first, you need to remove this little cap which goes on the rear windshield wiper, and for that you're going to need an 13mm size wrench, and you just basically unclip this little piece and unscrew one screw. Then you should be able to lift up the wiper. Like so. So the next step after removing the rear wiper is to remove the rear wiper motor. It's held in by three 10mm screws, and you should be able to really easily untighten them. So these are the parts I removed from my rear windshield: the wiper motor and the rear wiper blade. I removed it because these parts seem to cause the problem where your trunk lid is starting to corrode, and I don't really want that problem. Besides that, it looks a lot better without the wiper blade just plugged up with like the little cap. So this is the Dewiper kit from the kilowiper.com. This is just a little prong you can glue in the rear windshield or the rear glass, and it should give you a really clean look afterwards. So let's do that. So one more step before installing the Dewiper kit is you need to clean up the glass before applying any kind of sealant to it. I used the glass wipes, and they seem to work really fine, and now I'm just going to seal up the hole with some sealant and plug in the Dewiper kit. So at the moment I have plugged up the hole with the Dewiper kit, provided a little round thing. I used silicone to seal it up, and now I'm going to use a little bit of 3M tape to tape it up for a good 1 or 2 weeks before it fully dries. And of course you really want to remove any excess material which you have stuck on your glass. Before closing today's vlog, I just really wanted to update you guys with the EGR Valve Delete. I was able to remove those nuts, and I added the block-off plates, and it really works fine as it should. So today's job was to remove the rear Dewiper kit. I think I have accomplished it. It's really a seamless job. I like it. And if you like this video, please guys leave a thumbs up, comment with what you would like to see in my next video, and till then, see you next time. Bye.